It's me, Ella, with the butterflies in my stomach, and
hi, it's me, Emily.
And she's very plain for some reason. But today we're gonna be making slime. It's gonna be blue because we don't have any food coloring. So yeah, it's blue. And some Tide.
We're using Tide
because Tide works for slime. So let's get to this video.
Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go.
I'm checking. So what we're gonna be doing first is pouring our glue.
It froze. So
You did?
yeah.
I didn't.
Okay.
I'll show you also pouring it in. My mom does not want to do this video. I want to get every bit out. Because, like, I want to get every bit out because...
We're selling the slime.
Yeah, pretty much. My arm.
I'm done. Wait.
I'm not. I'm just going to be sitting here for 24 ages. Just going to be sitting here for 24
We'll be right
ages.
back, guys. When we have our slime all out
Because
of
we have all of our glue in our bowl, so yeah.
Alright,
Okay, guys. Now we have every bit out.
Now
I'm
we're
just gonna
gonna
put
add
this.
the top.
No, wait. We have.
So, when you make your slime, because this is how to make your slime, you want to add a Tide, because Tide is the most best thingy. I'm gonna go first because I got it first.
Don't. Okay, you put a little bit in there at a time. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
You don't want to overactivate. No! You don't use that side. Use the other side of it.
No, I like this side.
You're gonna get in trouble. And keep on going. It's going actually pretty good. Look. Sorry.
We're going to do what the slime will look like in 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
guys,
we're all done. So I'm gonna be going to mine first. I'm just glue some, but here, come to my slime. So this is very, very, very nice, very, very pokey, and it's very nice because it can stretch. Here, I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Here, back to the camera. So one, doesn't work like that. One. I suck at making bubbles.
Alright guys, now I'm going to go see my slime. So my slime is like hers, just like hers. So it is very. Now time for some slime ASMR.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
Hold on guys. So guys.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be posting this video here just so you know.
Guys, I'm ugly.
My slime keeps on flying everywhere. I'm sorry we didn't have any color, but we have this color.
Don't go to sleep.
You try to make a bubble. See, we suck. I just made it. Can you hear that? Okay, you go.
It's very stretchy.
Guys, if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving out giveaways, like gift cards or like iPhones, you know.
Fake iPhones, probably. I'll just show you iPhones.
I know that's not funny. You know.
Guys, we're poor.
We're not poor. I just hate when she just says that stuff, but she's ruining the video. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you're new, because if we hit 1,000 subscribers or more, I'll be giving away. I'll be doing a giveaway. So, guys, bye, and I see you